Hey you guys, I have a health update, plus I have a friend mail from my friend Lisa. So let's go ahead and open up that friend mail first. Hey Lisa, I sent you something, so I don't know, I think it went out today, so hopefully you'll get it soon. It says, oh cute, she made a little note, looks like a little egg, adorable. Dear Susie, I hope you and your family have a blessed. It says, Dear Susie, I hope you and your family have a blessed Easter. I will say a little prayer for you, Lisa, because I know you're going through something and I don't want to share it in case you don't want me to share it with people. But you guys, say a little prayer for my friend Lisa. She needs it right now. And you know, us women, we got to stick together. Us men and women and as human beings, we all got to stick together. Say a little prayer for each other, because when times get tough, they get tough. And that's when we need each other. So in this cute little, oh, look at what she sent the boys. This is so cute. So this is a little Hershey's chocolate bar, and she added a little bit of money in there. How cute is that? Oh my god, the boys are gonna be so happy, Lisa. And she custom made the little tags on here. Can you guys see that? That is adorable. This is so cute. What a cute way to use this. This is adorable. So she made one of these for Manuel. And she made one for Antonio. So how cute is this? The boys are going to be so happy. Thank you so much, friend. They're going to be excited to get these for Easter. I will link a picture on my Instagram, and then I'll tag you on it, Lisa. So thank you. They are adorable. Oh, and she sent me one too. It says Susie on here. So I got a little chocolate bunny. How cute. Oh, and a gift card to Amazon, which she put on a little egg. This is so cute. Wait, you guys. You see the egg? I don't know. I think she DIY'd it. It is a great idea if you did, Lisa. And then the little gift card holder. So it's a little egg and it's a gift card holder. I like that. Creative. You guys are getting creative on me. So yeah. And my little egg, my little chocolate, which I'm going to eat. So thank you, Lisa. And then I know you guys wanted a health update. You guys, if I sound a little funny, it's because I have sinuses over here in Chicago. It is rainy, cold, hot, and then cold again in one day. So that's basically the weather of Chicago. And then the next day it's hot, cold, rainy, hot the next day. So the weather in Chicago over here is crazy, you guys. So my sinuses have been kicking in. If you guys have anything that you could recommend for my sinuses, I need to get the relief off of here. Please write in the comment down below. I would appreciate any tips, any tricks, any tea that you recommend. I will try anything at least once. But yeah, go ahead and I've been feeling really good though. Besides my sinuses, I feel happy. I feel up to date. I feel more active. My mind is more calm. It's more at ease. My hair, I'm gonna do a hair update. I don't want to show you here because it's not combed and I was at work and I got all sweaty, but it's coming along, and I am making a hair journey video where you will see all my chemo pictures from the beginning, from before chemo to the middle, to the struggle of getting it to grow, to everything in between. So that is coming up for you guys. That journey, that hair journey is coming up. So I'm going to post that when I get a chance. But I feel good. I'm also trying to do a package from my friend Lisa No, that is Lisa. Sorry, Lisa. For my friend Chrissy, that she sent me. So I'm going to get that video up. And hopefully I post that this Friday. You guys, I hope so. It'll help me out if I do. But I'm going to get that up as soon as possible. And yeah, happy Easter, you guys. I feel great. I hope you guys feel great. If you don't, comment down below. I will say a little prayer for you guys. So hopefully you feel better. I know that always helps, even though you think it doesn't. Prayers, positivity, up here, keeping it positive, it always helps. No matter what you're going through. I know that times are tough and times are hard. Mentally, emotionally, physically. But a little prayer will help you guys. I'm going to say a prayer for you guys because you guys are fabulous. But yeah, I feel really good. I feel really blessed. I feel really loved. You guys are amazing. You guys are so positive. But yeah, here's a little health update. I feel really good. I am going for a mammogram in June. Hopefully everything goes well. And then we'll just have a mammogram every 6 months to make sure that the cancer does not come back. And we could finally, and when I say we, I mean me and you, because you guys have been a part of this journey with me. I have not had this journey by myself. I had been filming from the beginning to share with you guys, to share the experience, because I needed all the positivity from you guys to keep me going, to keep me pushing on days when I didn't even want to get up from my bed. You guys kept me motivated. You guys kept me there. You guys kept me strong. And I'm very thankful. Easter is about God. And there was a lot of God and a lot of prayers through this whole journey with my cancer. And I'm very thankful that you guys were part of it. I'm very thankful that you guys are amazing and you guys got me through this. So if you guys need anything from me, go ahead and email me if you need to, or comment down below, and I will say a little prayer for you guys, because we are all part of this world. And I was so happy to film my experience and share it and blog it with you guys. So if you guys want to go through that, go ahead and check out that playlist. I'm gonna see if I could post it down below. But yeah, the playlist has all the videos. I feel great. Thank you for all your positive energy. Thank you for all your prayers. You guys are amazing. So I wanted to share this little happy mail from my friend Lisa. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys feel good. Happy Easter. Let me know what you guys are doing for Easter. Write it down below. I would love to know how you're going to spend your Easter. I will be sharing mine with you. If I don't post it here on YouTube, I will post it on Instagram. So either way, you guys are going to know what I'm doing for Easter, because I'm going to post it. But yeah, you guys, until next time, bye you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Happy Easter.